Hello, fellow cartoonists. This is Cartoon Academy, and I'm your host, Joe Wos. On this show, we learn how to draw everything from beautiful butterflies to creepy cockroaches. So, stay tuned. Today on Cartoon Academy, we're going to draw my favorite flower, the dandelion. Let's draw. I'm going to begin with the head. It's just a circle. And then the eyes. Oval, oval. Pupil here and here. And now for our happy mouth. He's a silly looking guy. Eyebrows. And then our petals. You can really just have fun with it. You just scribble them in. Don't worry about being neat. You want it to be nice and messy. There we go. It looks a little bit like a line, doesn't it? The stem is one line down, two lines down. And then for our leaves. They're kind of jagged. Again, don't worry about making it perfect. You can be a little bit messy with a dandelion. And then sign your name. Take pride in your work. There's your dandelion. But sometimes a dandelion goes through a transformation as it transports its seeds from place to place by turning into a little magical fluff. Let me show you what that looks like. Again, it's just a circle. And then the eyes. 1, 2. The pupils. And the mouth. But then it has these wonderful little white pieces of fluff. Now you may have seen these float around in the sky. There's lots of names for them. Some people call them snowflakes or wish puffs or Santa Clauses. There's lots and lots of names for them. Sign your name. Take pride in your work. If you ever see one, make sure to grab it and hold it for just a second and then make a wish and let it go.